tribal village. It is the part of your tour. We will be having a 10 to 15 minutes culture sharing with the tribe. And I'll be your interpreter since the Palauan tribe has their own dialect, which is Palauan. So here in mainland Palawan, Ma'am Sure, we have three major tribes. First is Batak, Tagbanwa, and the third is them. There are Palauan tribe from southern part of Palawan. Since 1976, different families, this village is there became temporary home or shelter. Some of them, they stay here for a couple of weeks, months, in others days only. After that, they will go back in the mountain. It's about 200 kilometers away from here. And what we have here is a livelihood program since we notice that the tribe's culture are slowly disappearing and because of life modernization. But at least here, we are able to continue to practice their cultures and tradition. Pabre Bagtigman. Ma'am, sir, hold that they give us it your statement at the back. So that's their one of the important traditional product, that's bagtik. Is a sap or a resin of almasiga tree that grows only in higher elevation at least 2,000 feet above sea level. Ma'am, sir, that bagtik is a main ingredients in making paints, varnish, nail polish, fiberglass, and other related products. And also, they use that for flavor. Alright. He said it is their native backpack and they called bakid. They used to carry their products, particularly that bagtik. Ma'am, sir, when the bagit is full, they simply tied it up on the front so that the product won't fall. Alright, so he said when if it is heavy, no problem because aside from shoulder strap, they have a head strap or head support to carry even more weight. Ma'am, sure, according to them, their adult, they can carry more than 50 kilos of bagtik up and down to the mountain. Yes. Alright, so he said that's the real example of bakit na bagtik. That bagtik, ma'am, sure, is range of 30 kilos. Okay, so ma'am, sure, also they are a music lover and they have their musical instrument first. It is their native drum, they call this gimbal. Made out a hollow wood and they carve on top, they put animal skin. But that one po is a cow skin. The bigger metal called gong or agong, for the smaller one called sanang. So now they put together their musical instrument and they called it pasan. Ritual, which means sacred. They do dance back in the mountain when they have special occasions like weddings, good harvesting, or their prayers. Before the arrival of 6-strings guitar or a modern guitar, that Palauan has their own 2-strings guitar. They could that kudjap or kudlungan. I'm sure that's considered as one of the first guitars here in the Philippines. And now po, they play their particularly music called bogit, which means a bird song. A wild palm, then on top they put beeswax for just for the sound. Through vibration of their mouth, they can create an amazing sound.
Magaling ka sa dila dyan eh.
Hello. So that's the sounds of their aradig. feeding. Back in the mountain, their source of food is hunting, planting root crop. But the Palawan tribesmen are hunter-gatherer. As part of their diet, with rainy season, they hunt birds and squirrels. Monster, as a hunter, they have their own technique to copy or to imitate the sounds of birds. Alright, so if the target already visible, they prefer their blowgun or blow dart. So pag their dialect, but in Tagalog they call that sumpit. Now let's watch how to shoot animals. Look at there at the drawing team.
Bibili ka ng ganyan. Ito sa Playboy.
Ayan. So I'm sure according to them, they can shoot farther than 30 meters. And in their real life, whenever they have bigger animals, they can poison them with dart. So poison is coming from this plant, and their dialect they call this dita. They just collect the sap of this plant, they will mix with other juice of other plant, and they cook it together with a slow fire so that the poison is powerful. A few minutes, the target will die. If they wanted the target, they just simply wash in a running water, and they cook so that they can safely to eat. And according to them, if accidentally hit human, it's either you, me, or them say goodbye because until now there's no antidote to that making poison. But no problem because here they don't shoot animals or we discourage them to hunt birds and squirrels because our hunting ground is limited. By the help of that donation box, that's for sustainability of this project, any amount will matter. Because at the end of the day, they open it and they give some allowance to buy their needs in once in a Really market. Alright, so last part, they will show you how to create fire using their three materials. They have a piece of metal, flintstone, or buhay na bato, and their wild cotton. Ma'am, sir, that process, they call santikan. Santikan means friction. Alright, in just one strike. If the smoke was visible, they transfer it to dry leaves or dry grass, then they blow harder to make a bigger fire. And that we called survival since before po walang mga matches or lighter sa bundok. Game pa. Ganon.
David, galaw ka na. Ba? Palawa ba kita?
But it depends on how they use it. They do believe to the smoke of that they can drive away bad spirit or bad luck. They can cure all diseases like stomachache, headache, and sacrifice. So later he will go around and try to smell the smoke. Di mo na?
Wala?
Ayan. So try to smell the smoke. The smoke of that smells like incenso or kamamian. But no added chemicals, just pure sap.
Ba? Dapat sabi niya ito.
Dito, sa harapan.
Sa kanina, kaya sali.
Hindi po.
Diba?
Alright, so that's all, Ma'am Sir. If you want to know more about how it's started, we have a lot of information at the back, and you can drop with the solar shop made with a tribe. Ma'am Sir, if you are a coffee lover, you must try and purchase the one of the best coffee in town from Coops Up, Civet Cat. Now you can take a photo with them in their pet snake, a non-venomous python snake. If you want to give them, you can put at the donation box. Ma'am Sir, if you want to say thank you for them, just try to say only Magsokor. Okay, so now you can take a photo with them, group by group.